The Note is still alive. What's up guys, and here we go again. It's time to talk about the most sensitive topic for all Samsung fans, the fate of the next Note flagship, the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. In the light of recent events, and by that I mean the absolute amazing sales of the Galaxy Z series, beating out the numbers of both Galaxy S21 and Note series, having great sales in the home country as well as in India, and now Australia is another country that is experiencing the new generation. Samsung has sold more Z series phones in the pre-order phase in Australia than the whole foldable sales of 2020. That is indeed a massive win. Now, keeping all this in mind, Samsung has recently filed some brand new trademarks for its Galaxy devices lineup. So what do we have here? We have the Galaxy S series, the Galaxy Z series, M series, A series, but no sign of the beloved Galaxy Note series. This understandably made a lot of people upset, especially the die-hard Galaxy Note fans. According to South Korean media, Samsung Electronics officials said that he didn't apply for the Note trademark because the renewal period has not yet arrived. The Note series trademark was filed in 2013 and it has a validity of 10 years, meaning Samsung don't have to renew the Note series trademark until 2023. So in short, at least in this trademark renewal sense, the Note is still alive. With that being said, currently there is no rumor, report or anything regarding the development of the next Galaxy Note series. The last time Samsung officially addressed the Note series was when the president DJ Koh mentioned in the investor meeting that the Note series will come back in the future, but the timeline could be different. Will Samsung really bring back the Note series after that incredible success of the Z series? Especially with the next Galaxy Z series getting more affordable, I guess we'll see about that. But right now, the Note is still alive. Now, speaking of the next Fold lineup, we're already getting rumors regarding the Z Fold 4. Apparently, Samsung will make the Fold 4 better and cheaper. It's been said that now Samsung has more than 4 hinge suppliers, hence the cost has gone down. In addition to the cost, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be Samsung's first smartphone with second generation under-display camera, which will be a lot better than the first generation in terms of visibility and of course the performance. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, one of the big features for that model is going to be the S Pen capability. Samsung will continue to expand Note features to more flagships. So yeah, that's all the latest news. The next foldable devices will get even cheaper. The Note series, despite everything, is still alive. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.